The theme of an ideal generation that will create a paradise on earth recurs in the writings of many philosophers and reformers. These stewards are anticipated and described in texts such as the Bible, the Quran, and the works of thinkers like Plato, Al-Farabi, Thomas More, and Aldous Huxley. In the Stewards of a New Earth seminar, we will try to learn and acquire the qualities of that awaited generation described and longed for by many. This seminar aims to explore what it means to be a steward of a new earth, including the attributes and philosophies of an ideal steward as imagined by Muslim scholars, including Fethullah Gülen. We will prioritize Gülen's vision over others, because his vision of the stewards of a new earth is not a distant utopia, but a realistic project that requires knowledge, personal transformation, and a commitment to making a change in the world. Stewards of a New Earth is Gülen's roadmap to paradise on earth. The stewards are described by the attributes that the golden generation should attain. Among these we find perfected faith, love and universal metaphysics, aesthetics, mathematical thinking, unity of the heart and the mind, unity of thought and action, freedom of thought, consultancy and collective thinking, critical thinking, and love of knowledge. The Stewards of a New Earth seminar will employ a combination of textual and historical analysis, with participants engaging deeply with Gülen's writings and exploring the historical context that shaped his ideas. Over the course of 12 weeks, the seminar will consist of 2 hours of lectures, followed by 2 hours of discussion each week, under the guidance of lecturer Kerim Balcı and discussants Dr. Albert Frolov and Dr. Safiye Yiğit. Along with their assistants, students will be expected to actively participate and come prepared with their own insights. To explore the inspiring heroes and architects of change envisioned by Gülen, along with their defining attributes, join us for the seminar Stewards of a New Earth, at Respect Graduate School.